Hey Isaac, so tell me what happened. Can you tell me?
It was falling in the cup and it keeps going in the cup.
What were you trying to get?
I trying to get one cup, it ABC cup. I keep falling. I keep falling. It keeps going in that cup.
Oh, well, let's see what happened here. That is glass that used to be on the front of the oven. There's the cup he was trying to get, which was up on the counter, and he had dragged this chair in here to climb up and get it, and he fell into the glass. And the glass is still popping.
Maybe Mommy's running down.
Are you okay, Isaac?
Yeah. It was not falling. It was falling on that oven. It would keep going in that oven.
Yeah, you're sorry though, right? It's just an accident?